How to fix washing machine leaving black marks on clothes is a common issue many people face. To solve this problem, first identify the cause of the black marks. The most common causes are debris or dirt inside the washing machine, mold or mildew buildup, or the use of low-quality detergent. Start by checking the washing machine for any blockages or debris. Run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner to remove any dirt or mold buildup. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, run a hot water cycle with a cup of white vinegar to help remove any debris. Next, check the detergent you are using. Switch to a high-quality detergent that is designed to reduce residue and prevent black marks. Also, make sure to use the correct amount of detergent for each load of laundry. Another possible cause of black marks is the transfer of dye from other clothes. To prevent this, separate your clothes by color before washing and avoid overloading the washing machine. To remove black marks from clothes, try using a stain remover or a laundry pre-treatment product. Apply the product directly to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before washing. In addition, regular maintenance of your washing machine can help prevent black marks. Leave the lid of the washing machine open after use to allow it to dry and reduce the risk of mold or mildew buildup. Also, check and clean the gasket and seals of the washing machine regularly to prevent the buildup of debris. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the cause of black marks on your clothes and prevent them from happening. In the future, remember to always check your washing machine and detergent to ensure they are working properly and not causing any issues with your clothes.